Roll out some grease-proof paper and cut it into a square. Place lots of small blobs of toothpaste onto it. Take some baking soda and put it over the toothpaste. Then leave this to dry. Take a small jar and put the dry toothpaste inside. You can now transport this anywhere and have toothpaste on the go. Perfect for traveling in hotels and camping. Don't put your toothbrush into your wash bag. When you're traveling, this could make it dirty. Instead, get an office clip and put it over the toothbrush. Fold in the hinges so it doesn't come off. You can then make sure your toothbrush is clean while traveling. Take a balloon and slice off the top. Then place this over the faucet in your sink. You can then use this to control the water flow and clean your sink super easy. Take a balloon. Then add some sealant using a sealant dispenser. Once it's pumped in, tie the balloon up. You can then draw a face on it and have a funny stress ball. This is an awesome stress reliever you can make for less than $1. Print off some rose designs. You can print these in multiple sizes and then cut them out. Once that's done, stick them to your wall. Using spray paint, go over them many times in different colors. I chose pink and red. Then check out this awesome design on your walls. Take some chewing gum wrapper and place it on a battery. After some time, this will create a flame. This can be really handy if you're camping and need to get a campfire started. Talking of camping, what if your lighter gets wet? Have no fear. Before camping, put some hot glue around your lighter. I'll dunk it under some water to demonstrate. As you can see, I can simply peel off the hot glue. And even though it went underwater, it still works. Have you ruined your sneakers with mud? Have no fear. Grab a cotton wool pad and put some micellar water on it. Wipe down your shoes and it will remove literally any stain. Take a cardboard tube and slice off the top. Then wrap a balloon around the cardboard tube. Use that as a funnel and put some chocolates inside the balloon. Then inflate and tie the balloon. Give this to a friend as an awesome gift in an interesting way. We've already seen how to make a lighter waterproof, but what about matches? As you can see, if you put matches in water, they stop working. That's why before going camping, make sure to dunk your matches in nail polish. As you can see, if you do this, this adds a protective layer. This will make your matches more flammable and also waterproof too. Check out some more videos and subscribe.